Our Heavy Industry Planning Basic Certificate series is your gateway to mastering the art of maintenance and project planning in heavy industry. Whether you're a novice planner or looking to elevate your skills, this series is designed for you. We're here to equip you with industry standard practices that will set you on the path to success. This series is perfect for shutdown, turnaround, and outage planners, project planners, routine maintenance planners, commissioning planners, and maintenance and project schedulers. Our comprehensive series includes 5 courses, each building upon the last to challenge and elevate your skills. First, Planner's Introduction to RAMP. We begin with the Reliability Asset Management Program model, laying the foundation for all subsequent courses. Second, the Value of Planning. Here, you'll grasp the importance of planning in maintenance and projects, explore planning methodologies, and develop essential planner skills. Third, Work Management for Planners. Learn how the work management process guides planners in mastering planning flow, work orders, and budgets within RAMP. Fourth, Maintenance and Capital Project Budgets. Dive into the financial aspects of planning, from budget calculations to distinguishing between cost types, empowering you with precise financial control. And fifth, Variations of Planning in Heavy Industry. Explore the unique challenges in routine maintenance, STO events, and capital projects, and the transferability of core skills. Led by seasoned professionals, you'll engage with interactive lessons, real-life scenarios, and practical assessments. Our goal, to transform you into a skilled planner who can confidently navigate the complexities of heavy industry. Remember, following industry-standard work processes and practices is the key to your success as a planner. These aren't just guidelines, they're the foundation of excellence in our field. Are you ready to take the first step towards becoming an expert planner? Your journey begins now. Click the button below to start your first course on RAMP and unlock the potential of your planning career.